Number 830, Max Stevenson, 9944. 37, Kyle Larson, 2008 Equinox. Number 28, Michelle Johnson, Jeep Cherokee. And number 27, Chase Kirkhoff in a Chrysler.
On the road and at the derby.
Thumbs up, let's go 3. Let her rip!
Let her rip! Let her rip! Yeah!
The blue one's kind of going hard. Oh, shit.
Blue's fast as shit. It's awesome. Let's go! Woo! Let's go.
Matter of fact, you can't even try to win.
No, 2 down already. It's the Jeep Cherokee versus this guy. Dude, you should see 2-7. Woo!
Oh shit, that one's going.
Come on, baby.
Black one's got it.
Dude, you can tell. Hey.
Top.
You don't gotta remind me.
You're black.
You don't gotta remind me.
You are. You know that.
Dude, this Jeep Cherokee is oh no, dude. Goldie's about to lose a tire. Goldie's got tires that are... Dude, Goldie's got a donut, dude. Goldie's got... Oh! Oh, Cherokee lost his tire. It's fucked up on the front.
That one has like a bum tire.
Oh, look at fucking Cherokee's funny. Hold it.
He's done. I told you black.
This game's all axles.
Look at Mama Jesus.
Hold up, red flag.
I'll fuck you up in some darts.
You want to go for darts?
That's what it's on my way home, so it's...
Because everyone died. That driver got out. They got a bum tire. He got a bum tire. Everybody's tire was like... We don't want to play. We don't want to play this game anymore. He goes like, he's like, no, thank you. No, thank you. But I might have to
Alright.
it again. But I switched to Geico.
Number 3, third place, Max Stevenson, 830 in his 99 Explorer.
That one
Number
actually
2, Chase Kirkhoff in his number 27 Chrysler. And your winner, Kyle Larson, number 37 in his Chevy Equinox.
That seems like the name
One of the problems we had tonight was we had one vehicle in four-wheel drive. That's not allowed in the Derby. So that car was disqualified. That was number 28, unfortunately. So again, number 1, Kyle Larson. Number 2, Chase Kirkhoff. And number 3, Max Stevenson.